Got a southbound coal train. The locomotive's on. The locomotive's on. 989. Second one in. 3058. And guys, I found another spot to charge my cameras. Alright guys, I didn't get the symbol for this train, so if you know the CSX train symbol and CSX train destination for the coal train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video. And also, I found another spot to charge my scanner. Look, it's right here. Yeah, and it was available for me since the other one.
You got 375.
And it was available for me, so I'm glad. Anyways, if you know the CSX train symbol and CSX train destination for the coal train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video. Okay, fine, that's all for now. Remember, I'm going to say again, if you know the CSX train symbol and the CSX train destination for the coal train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.